Dan the Natural Man Show. Well, it's another Monday, I swear. These Mondays keep coming so fast. It won't be long. It's going to be Thanksgiving and Christmas. And then onward to 2023. Today I want to talk about a fruit. You know how I love fruit. I love fruit because it tastes good, but I also love fruit it's because of all the health benefits and the detoxification properties. Today I want to talk about grapes. Right now I have some green grapes, but I think the purple grapes usually have more antioxidants in them. And this study is talking about the grape ones, the purple grapes instead of the green ones. So they found there's a growing body of research suggesting that foods rich in polyphenols from grapes, including red wine, helps reduce the risk of heart disease. So, and unfortunately in this country, heart disease and cancer are still the top two killers, okay? So anything that we can do, anything that I can teach to help us stave off the number one killer, the better, in my opinion, because the more research and the more clinical evidence that is coming out now is showing that we can reduce our risk of developing heart disease and dying from heart disease by as much as 90%. In some studies showing maybe even 95, up to 99. So even though heart disease is a top killer, it's looking really clear that we, as individuals, can decide to live a lifestyle to prevent us from developing and dying from heart disease. So the study goes on to say, consumption of grapes and grape extracts and or grape products such as red wine may be beneficial in preventing the development of chronic degenerative diseases such as cardiovascular disease. The authors review the accumulating evidence that grape polyphenols work in many different ways to prevent cardiovascular disease and other inflammatory mediated diseases. Polyphenols are natural antioxidants found in grapes and some other plant foods. Their types and actions vary depending on where in the grape they are found. Grape seeds, grape skin, and grape juice contain several types of polyphenols, including resveratrol, phenolic acids, anthocyanins, and flavonoids. This also reminds me of a lot of the herbs I teach about, which a tincture of an herb, an alcohol tincture of an herb, will pull out certain constituents, but making a tea from the same herb can pull out different constituents. So it's better for some of these herbs to take them in tincture form, capsule form, tea form. It seems to be the same with grapes according to this study. Through their antioxidant effects, grapes help to slow or prevent cell damage caused by oxidation. Polyphenols decrease oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, a key step in the development of heart disease and hardening of the arteries. Grapes also have other protective effects on the heart and blood vessels, including actions to reduce blood clotting, abnormal heart rhythms, and blood vessel narrowing. So, there's more to the study we can read, but the point is, grapes, and I'm not knocking green grapes, they have benefits too, But the grapes in the study are the purple grapes. They have more antioxidants and polyphenols. So grapes are yet another food that we can add to our arsenal to help prevent heart disease. And so that we won't be taken out in the prime of our lives by a disease that we have a lot of control over. And of course, you probably already know, if you really want to prevent heart disease, other than the diet, the plant-based diet and the grapes and things and the herbs, it's still very good to do cardiovascular exercise, walking, cycling, swimming, elliptical, jogging, and it's also really good to do strength training because both forms of exercise have beneficial effects on the heart. So, look guys, too many of us are getting sick in this country. And I'm here, and I wish there was a lot more people like me, but I'm here to show you things that you can do at home by what you eat and how you think and how you exercise. They can keep you out of hospitals because these medical drugs are hurting people, they're maiming people, they're killing people, and they do nothing to prevent these diseases or reverse these diseases. The only thing you can do for that is self-care. Okay, if you found this video helpful or interesting, like it and share it. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my page, DanTheNaturalMan.com, and remember, until next time, keep it natural.